You want a carrot? You're not a carrot kind of guy. You guys want carrots? You think they'll eat the carrots? Try a bite, dude. See if you like it. Bah! Try some carrot? Try it. Is it good? You like it? Aw, man. Okay, I guess he doesn't want to share. Try. You like it? I'm telling you, that's some grade AA. They don't like the cat. Alright, it's the pack's turn. You guys want to try some carrots? Try the carrot. These are the two young ones right here. Try a carrot? Try a carrot. Yeah. Try it. I'm telling you, dude, that's some grade AA. It's the finest carrot in all the land. Oh, you just want the greens, huh? You don't want the orange part?